everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to read Scaredy Squirrel at the Beach by Melanie. This is Zoe here, and I hope you enjoy this book. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone put on number 65 sunscreen before reading this book. Scaredy Squirrel at the Beach. Scaredy Squirrel never goes to the beach. He'll rather vacation at home alone, where it's safe, than risk being surrounded by the wrong crowd. A few crowds Scaredy Squirrel wouldn't want to be caught in the middle of. Herds of sea monsters, packs of pirates, flocks of seagulls, tribes of jellyfish, tons of falling coconuts, mobs of lobsters. So he's perfectly happy to build his own very own private beach. Scaredy Squirrel's Guide to Building a Safe Beach. What you need to get started. Paper and crayons, 1 stick, 1 inflatable pool, 1 flashlight, 1 bag of kitty litter, 1 plastic flamingo. Draw a beach scenery. Use stick to hold upright, cover ground of sand, inflate ocean, turn on sunlight, install beach wildlife. It looks like a beach and it feels like a beach, but it doesn't sound like one. Scaredy Squirrels notice something missing, the soothing sound of the ocean. The solution. Make a quick trip to the real beach and find a seashell that fits the description below. Seashell quality and performance chart. Germ-free, shiny exterior, crystal clear ocean sand. Red alert! Seashell must not, I repeat, not be occupied. But traveling to the real beach requires careful planning. First, get a passport. Second, draw a map. Beach map. 7 a.m. Enter box and wait. Don't forget passport. 7:30. Get picked up by mail truck. Verify passport. 8:42 a.m. Arrive at beach and wait until the coast is clear. Don't lose passport. 11:42 a.m. Exit box and find seashell. Hold passport. 1:49 p.m. Enter box and wait for pickup. Check passport. 6 p.m. Get delivered back to Nut Tree. Put away passport. Caution, I am here. Caution, falling coconuts have a mind of their own. They can knock you out without warning. Seashell should be here. Careful, birds of a feather flock together. Seagulls can drop by at any time. Never trust a mob of lobsters. They are a pinch territorial and are eager to snap. Important, sea monsters are camera shy, so keep camera close by. Ahoy, matey! Watch for pirates, they'll make you outright walk the plank. Stay away from tribes of jellyfish. You'll be stung by how sneaky they can be. And last but not least, travel light and dress accordingly. Scaredy's beachwear. The Scary is a trained professional. Don't try this at home. Exhibit A. Protective headgear for falling coconuts. Exhibit B. Protective eye patch to fool pirates. Exhibit C. Protective flotation device to prevent sinking. Exhibit D. Protective cameras to discourage sea monsters. Exhibit E. Protective compass to avoid getting lost. Exhibit F. Protective foot gear to shield from jellyfish. Exhibit G. Protective rubber band to tame lobsters. Exhibit H. Protective oven mitts to block germs. Exhibit I. Protective French fry to distract seagulls. Remember, if all else fails, play dead and send an SOS. Next morning, as planned, Scaredy Squirrel jumps into the box. At 7:30 a.m., he gets picked up and they drive. At 8:42, Scaredy gets dropped off and waits. 11:42 a.m. A crowd appears. People are not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics and plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that the perfect seashells is right under his nose, surrounded by friendly people. He decides to join the crowd. Scaredy Squirrel builds sandcastles, takes pictures, floats around the ocean, and sunbathes with the others. He forgets all about the flocks of seagulls, tribes of jellyfish, herds of sea monsters, packs of pirates, tons of falling coconuts, and mobs of lobsters. He's glad to be part of the crowd. Back home, after a day of fun and sun, Scaredy Squirrel's inspired to make one more important addition to his own beach. A crowd. Garden gnomes, by the way. P.S. As for Scaredy's next visit to the beach, it might be sooner than he thinks. Red alert! So that was the end of the book, and that was really, really cool and really funny. Do you guys like it? I hope you guys like it. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you have another nice day, and hope you realize the speech isn't really that scary all the time. Be brave and strong. See ya.